everybody, today I'm here to help you guys with your oral health. So if you came to this video, it means you're looking to get to know more about Prodentim. I have so many infos to share with you guys about this supplement, so watch this video until the very end. Alright, Prodentim is an oral health supplement that will completely, change the way that you feel, that you take care of your oral health. Also, you won't have to spend lots of money going to the dentist. Now, if you want to purchase Prodentim, and I think you do, I will be leaving Prodentim's official website just below this video in the description box. So if you are looking for the website, it is right there for you, a click away. You guys are going to be making a safe purchase. You will not have any problems with the product because it is going to be the original one. Also in the future, if you do need a refund, that is the only place that you can go to get one. All right, so do not forget that the official website is just a click away right down there. Prodentim is an oral health supplement that was created on a base of only natural ingredients. It is so natural that, there's no side effects, no contradictions, and every single ingredient in the Prodentim supplement was thought about over and over again. Prodentim actually has a unique blend of 3.5 billion probiotic strains and nutrients to promote teeth and gum health. All you have to do to experience all of the Prodentim benefits is chew on one tablet every day. So instead of chewing on bubble gum, chew on a Prodentim tablet. All right? The probiotics in it for teeth and gums are really effective to restore your oral health, get rid of bad breath, and also brighten your smile. If you have those really yellow teeth, or maybe you smoke and have yellow teeth or bad breath, Prodentim will help you restore your teeth. It is going to remove yellowness and even like those starts. It is going to freshen up your breath. It is going to go to the root cause of every problem you may be experiencing in your oral health. That can be maybe, really weak and bleeding gums or sensitive teeth and just things like that, which is really great. Prodentim has proven to be very effective. Many people are talking so good about it, and many others are deciding to give it a chance and have great things to say about it. All right, you just need to remember to take your treatment very seriously. Do not forget about it. It is natural, so it does take time to start delivering results, of course, but they do come. Also, as I was mentioning before about the refunds, it does have a 60-day money-back guarantee. So you guys give it 60 days to experience Prodentim. If you're unhappy with it, like you're unsatisfied or just didn't get the results that you wanted, you can simply ask for a refund on the official website. They will give you every single penny that you spent on it back. And that's why it is very important that you purchase Prodentim on the official website. If you guys do need a refund, that is the only place on the internet that will give you one. So just keep that very clear in your minds. All right. Basically, as I was saying, you do not need to worry about taking Prodentim. It is FDA approved and GMP certified, guys. Like everyone who decided to give it a shot is having great results with it. So just take it seriously, use it every single day, and you will see a big change in your oral health for the better. Yes. Guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Remember to visit Prodentim's official website. It's just here waiting for you down below. Have a great night, and I'll see you guys around. Bye-bye.